In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large files through email using Dropbox. If you've ever had an email bounce back because the attachment was too big, Dropbox is a simple way to get your files to the right people without worrying about size limits. We'll walk through the most reliable ways to share, and I'll point out a few tips so your recipients get exactly what they need. Start by logging into your Dropbox account. On your home page, you'll see your folders and files. Find the folder that contains the large file you want to share, or create a folder and move the file into it first so everything stays organized. Keeping the file in a dedicated folder makes sharing and permissions much easier to manage. One straightforward option is to invite people to the folder. Open the folder, then click Share. In the sharing window, add the email addresses of the people you want to send the file to. You can include an optional message so they know what the file is and why you're sending it. Before you send, choose their role. Set them as editors if you want them to upload, change, or replace files in that folder. Choose viewers if you only want them to see or download the content. This keeps control in your hands and ensures no one makes changes you don't expect. When you're ready, send the invite. Your recipients will receive a message with access, and they'll always see the latest version if you update the file later. Another quick method is to share a link. Go to the same folder or file, click Share, and copy the link. You can then paste that link into your email or into any messaging app you prefer. This is perfect when you don't need to manage ongoing access, and you just want to let someone open or download a file without adding them to the folder. For clarity, include a short note in your email about what the link contains and any deadlines or instructions they should know. If you'd rather send a one-time copy, you can transfer a copy using Dropbox. This approach is great when you don't want to manage permissions or keep the folder shared. Your recipient gets what they need, and it stays separate from your working files. That's it. Those are the simplest ways to send large files through email using Dropbox. If this walkthrough helped, give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next upload.